What I am most amazed about her flying is how slow she flies, or in relation to the budgies, her wings move a lot slower, and I guess it even seems more controlled and calculated. If you have budgies or smaller birds, you know how fast they move. I mean, they're just zipping across, and their wings move so fast you can't even hardly see them. But I'm noticing with this bigger bird, and this is the first time I've ever had a bigger bird, I'm noticing how, I guess it's slow. It feels slow. It feels like she's in slow motion. And it even sounds slower. Like you can hear the wings moving much slower. I guess it's just crazy to me because I've only had tiny birds. But yeah, so that's very, very interesting to me.